guys! Welcome to our vlog. Today, we will showcase the beauty and peacefulness of our community. Tara, samahan niyo kami!
So ayun guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa irigasyon kung saan dumadaloy ang tubig para sa palayan. Makikita mo dito ang napakagandang tanawin tulad ng mountains, rice field. Dito naman sa part na to, pwede mong isuga yung mga kambing, mga alaga mong hayop tulad ng baka at kalabaw.
So what makes our community rural? It has a low population density. It has distance from urban centers. Agricultural and natural resource-based economy, limited access to services, open spaces and natural landscapes. These characteristics shapes the lifestyle economy.
Dito po tayo sa Plaza ng Santa Cruz kung saan itinatambak ang mga nakuhang palay. At dito, makikita niyo din ang kung saan ginaganap ang mga liga at ang Senior Citizen Office,
kung saan dito rin namamalagi ang mga barangay official at ginagamit sa pagpupulong sa mahalagang okasyon tulad ng fiesta, palaro at marami pang iba. Ang plasang ito di man kalawakan ngunit malaki ang tulong nito sa komunidad.
Rural income sources include agriculture, small businesses, tourism, remittances, government jobs, crops, forestry, and fishing. It often relies on innovative approaches and community engagement. And lastly, our school. Our school has smaller class sizes, closer relationship between students and teachers, and a strong sense of community. Despite the challenges in school, they also provide supportive and personalized learning environment that fosters student growth and success.